here's the end of month bills for March. I think City Card is the only one that's actually more than last month. Let me check on that. Okay, so the City Card is actually worse than it was from the end of February. The rest are down a little bit. Overall down $435.76, which is still less than half of the $1,000 a month I wanted to pay off of it. It'll get a little better once this stuff goes away, but it certainly ain't starting out that great. On March 31st, I did sell an item on eBay for $400. So that'll figure into the equation. I made a series of videos about that. I'm still working on those. That's pretty much all there is to report on, I think, on the end of month March 2019.